how online life coaching courses and sleep hygiene boost your personal transformation journey. Discover how online life coaching courses and better sleep hygiene can support your personal transformation and overall wellness. Practical tips included: working with online life coaching courses for personal growth. Hey there! I wanted to chat with you today about something that's been really game-changing for so many folks: online life coaching courses. If you've ever thought about personal transformation or just wanted a little boost in your wellness journey, this is something you might want to hear about. What's awesome is how accessible these courses are, right from your couch, your favorite coffee shop, or wherever you feel most comfortable. So, why are online life coaching courses catching on so fast? Well, they offer a kind of personal growth experience tailored to fit your lifestyle. Unlike the old days when you had to show up in person, online courses let you work at your own pace. Whether you've got 5 minutes or an hour, you can plug in and learn what you need to keep moving forward. Among the benefits, one of the biggies is that these courses often cover a bunch of angles that touch every part of your wellness. We're talking mindset shifts, goal setting, mindfulness practices, you name it. Most importantly, they're designed to empower you to take control of your own success and mental health. And for those of us juggling busy schedules, the flexibility is a serious plus. What you get from an online life coaching course tends to include structured guides that walk you through exercises to increase self-awareness and motivation, tools to build healthy habits like self-care routines that support holistic health, community support through forums or live check-ins so you don't feel like you're in this alone, access to expert mentorship that you can tap into whenever you need a nudge in the right direction. Now, speaking of healthy habits, one piece of the puzzle that gets overlooked a lot is sleep hygiene. Seriously, your sleep routine sets the tone for how you feel every single day. Good sleep means better mental clarity, more energy, and it supports all those new behaviors you're trying to build. The power of a solid sleep hygiene routine. Let's talk about some practical tips you can start using tonight to get better sleep and wake up refreshed. This isn't about complicated rituals, just simple, effective habits that anyone can do. Keep a consistent bedtime. Your body loves routine. Going to bed and waking up at the same time every day helps regulate your internal clock. Limit screen time before bed. That blue light from phones and computers messes with your melatonin levels. Try shutting off gadgets at least 30-60 minutes before hitting the hay. Create a calming pre-sleep routine. Whether it's reading a book, gentle stretching, or meditation, doing something relaxing helps your body wind down. Make your sleep space comfortable. Dark, cool, and quiet is a winner. Blackout curtains, earplugs, or white noise machines can make a big difference. Watch your caffeine and alcohol intake. Both can interfere with your ability to fall and stay asleep, especially when consumed later in the day. Get moving during the day. Regular exercise promotes deeper, more restful sleep, but try not to exercise right before bedtime. Adding these sleep hygiene habits into your daily rhythm complements the personal transformation work you do in life coaching courses. The better rest you get, the sharper your mind, and the more motivated you'll be to keep up your self-care and mental health practices. If you want to explore all this further, plus grab some great insights on health and wellness, check out the collection of resources available through Wellbeing Publishing. From personal transformation to achieving a balanced lifestyle, these books cover a broad range of helpful topics. Explore the books now. Whether you're new to this journey or looking to deepen your understanding, investing in the right resources can really accelerate your progress and set you up for lasting success. So, to wrap up, online life coaching courses offer incredible flexibility and a comprehensive toolkit for anyone looking to take charge of their journey toward wellness. Pairing that with smart sleep habits creates a powerful combo for lasting results. Here's to your ongoing growth and those energized, restful days ahead.